Hi, my name is David, and I want to show you how you can send out 50 text messages in 10 seconds using RingCentral and SendIt. So right now we are logged into our SendIt account. This is our scheduled calendar. This will allow you to schedule text messages at any time in the future using your SendIt account with your RingCentral telephone number. So the first step we're going to go is to click on Import and then click on Import Schedules. And once I do that, I'm going to click on the button here that says Download CSV Template. This is going to allow us to bring us our CSV or Excel template. So I have one up right here. So I'm going to choose this here. So it's going to come up like this, and then we're just going to fill out this information. I want these text messages to go out on the 29th. Today is the 20th, so in 9 days, we're going to get this text message to go out. We're going to get this out at 1 p.m., and you'll use your military time. And then we are in Eastern Standard Time, so we'll put that as our time zone. And from the from number, that's going to be our RingCentral phone number. At this point, you're going to enter just 10 digits. You don't have to enter 1 in front of the area code, and you don't have to enter any dashes. And then you just put in the phone number that you want the text message to go to. So I've entered my customer that the text message is telephone number it's going to, and then I'm going to enter the message here. So we can type in whatever. I'm going to show you the example here that I've created already. Very simple. So right here, I've created the date to go out on May 29th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time from my RingCentral phone number. So literally all I'm just going to go do is copy and paste all the way down to the 50 text messages. So once I've got that paste, we're going to go on to the next section, which is the to number. This is where you're going to enter your recipient's text cell phone number that they'll be receiving your RingCentral text message. And then here, you're going to type in your message. I've added a couple emojis. Hey, hope you're doing well. Just reaching out to see if you had a chance to explore SendIt with RingCentral. It's a simple way to streamline your texting and boost your efficiency. So once we have that saved, here's the most important part. You're going to click on File, Save As, and you want to make sure that this CSV is saved in a CSV UTF-8 format. So once we have that, we're going to hit Save, and then I'm going to go back to my SendIt account. We're going to select the file that we've just created, which I named 50 text in 10 seconds. So once I've created that, I'm going to click on Next. This is going to give me all the text messages we're going to schedule to go out in the future, May 29th at 1 p.m. As you can see, there's 50 here. We're going to click on Next. And once we have that, we're going to click on Submit if we're ready to submit these text messages to be scheduled to go out. Perfect. As you can see, you have a nice check mark, import complete. We're going to hyperlink here to the calendar, and then you're going to see, and I'm going to go here on the month view. And as you see here, May 29th at 1 p.m., we have 1, 2 plus 48. We have 48 text messages, 50 text messages scheduled to go out. So literally, if once you have your CSV file, it's less than 10 seconds uploading the file, and your text messages are scheduled to go out. So if you're interested in learning more on how to send out these text messages in a really fast time using RingCentral and SendIt, send us a text message, email us, or click on the link below. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe.